Today I'm going to be showing some pretty cool little insight on what a hair transplant case looks like. We're doing a large case today, so actually 3,500 grafts. So stay tuned to check it out. All right, headed to our procedure room. This is my favorite part. So they harvest the grafts individually. So they're taking individual follicles, mainly from the back of the head, and they're going to transplant them. So we harvest the grafts all morning, like you just saw, all those little individual grafts. And then this afternoon, we're gonna work on placing them strategically and naturally all through areas of thinness on our patient. So stay tuned. Okay, so it's the afternoon. We're ready to take all of our hair follicles and place them strategically in areas of thinness. So this patient you'll see shortly, temples, and all throughout the top of the head.
Hi, I'm Dr. Stanley Jacobs, triple board certified facial plastic surgeon and director of the Jacobs Center for Cosmetic Surgery and Hair Transplantation, online at thejacobscenter.com. My team and I blend artistry and science to deliver natural, lasting results.
And I'm Jodie Roades, a physician assistant and hair transplant specialist, collaborating with Dr. Jacobs to help our patients restore full, thick, natural-looking hair.
Visit thejacobscenter.com and book a free consultation. Learn how NeoGraft may be part of your personal hair restoration plan.
thejacobscenter.com.